What I do every day is for my division, we make steel pipe for oil and gas transmission. So my role in the department is I monitor the lab testing to make sure that the pipe adhere to the API requirements or the customer requirements. I also troubleshoot problems for the lab and our line inspectors if they have any problems. One of my other roles is to review technical specifications to ensure that ACIPCO has the capability to meet the customer requirements, and if not, suggest exceptions to the customer specification. Over the last 15 years here, when I first got here, we had just started a system as far as inputting the data into a central database. And so now my job is a lot more data intensive than it was before. With everything, we can tie a lot of things together that was more difficult 15 years ago. A lot of the testing equipment has improved, whereas we used to have to hand enter in some of the test results. Now a lot of those are automatically fed from the computer to the system. We make water, wastewater, oil and gas pipe. Anything we do through the course of the day, whether it is turn on your faucets to get your water, all the way to getting your gasoline, heating your homes, all those things use pipe that we produce. So our industry has been here for over 100 years, and it should be needed for many more. If someone wanted to work here for engineering, what I'd tell them is you're going to get a lot of different projects. Things are really broad starting out, but as you learn more and grow more in the job, you kind of find your niche where you fit in and where you can contribute to the company.